Want the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Dessau Fountains area? If you are trying to find an auto body shop in Round Rock's Dessau Fountains area, you've come to the right place. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Dessau Fountains service, body repair shop estimates. Are you trying to find affordable and the best packages for your automobile? Do you need an automobile specialist that can help you have your automobile repainted and remove all the scratches? Apparently, driving on the road is very unpredictable. You cannot assume or think what could possibly happen while you head on your way to work. Even you just parked your automobile in the mall lot, or you just stop over in a highway grocery, you could be hitting the odd thing. There is no one to blame to have them repaired. When you have an automobile, it is very important that you know one reputable automobile shop that can help you manage your automobile issues. It is very important also that you choose those which are located near your residence, your locality and your place of work, so you can visit them right away when the need develops. Consulting the ideal automobile body shop can help you fix all the trouble that you're facing with your automobile. They are specialists when it pertains to repairing, refinishing and even replacing a vehicle body, window glass, windshield and frame. As collisions can happen anytime on the road, it is also good that you have a list of collision center that you can check out when time occurs. Actually, there are numerous centers that use these services. In a matter of some minutes, these online sites can supply you a good estimate on the costs that you may face when you have your automobile repaired. So how do these stores work? Automotive body shops can take care of all the damages of your vehicle and can even make your automobile look brand new. If the dents and scratches are irrelevant, replacing an old damaged part such as broken windshield or scratched door can be done swiftly. For you to have a best automobile, Automobile Hubs are hiring expert vehicle body and glass repairers or service technicians. They are the professional workers who know and have the skills to alter and improve the overall appearance of automobiles. Automobile body shop and collision centers are very important for all people who owns and who drives a vehicle. When you are out on the road, it is significant that you have the contact numbers of those stores to help you during unexpected situations. Collision repair services near me for Round Rock, Texas Dessau Fountains. Check out a local auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Dessau Fountains area to get your car repair quote today. This is a page on auto body shop in Round Rock, Dessau Fountains. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.